Alright, now this is our adventure today so far. So first of all, we went to Target to look for white t-shirts, but we didn't find any. Then we went to Lowe's, but we didn't take a picture of it. And then we went to Big W, and the Lowe's didn't have any. Then we went to Big W and we found some. And then we went to Fish Market, then we went to Audios, and then what we did is we saw this little bird here, and then we got some, then we took a photo of me right here near the half-shell scallop, and then we found these fresh medium green king prawns, and that's pretty much it so far.
Story so far. So we've got.
Alright, so and then we also so this is when we bought the white t-shirts at Big W.
So what we had first, let's say we went to Target first, Big W next, and then that over there. Then we went to Claudio's next.
We really should call it
Claudio. Crabbios and that. So there's the two bits to the thing. Okay, good. Now we'll take the camera and take some more at lunch, and we'll add lunch to it, and then we'll go on the ferry.
Okay, so next of all, we had lunch.
Yes.
Yummy.
Looks good, doesn't it?
And then what we did is we went on the ferry there, and then we went to the city. I climbed this at the park, I used my grandpa bought me a credit card, so I used it. This is what our day was, and what's the date?
And you finished off going to the playground up the climbing thing.
Yeah, it's right there. And that was the day today, and this is the order. I'll draw it. So we went Target, Lowe's, then Big W, then this, then this, then this, then this, and I also went there. Then we went there, then there, then there, then there, like that. And that's just a picture of the open card to use for the ferry. The ferry. And that's pretty much it.